Hello, everybody. We are finally here. So we ended up getting a cottage, and it is amazing. Why don't we give you a little tour? All right, so here we go. So we walk up here. So this is the games room right here. Oh, we got the games room, pool table, air hockey. And then so we got a room here. We got a bathroom here. Got another room here. All right, there's a bedroom there. We got a bathroom right here. Here's the kitchen. It's pretty big. And then look at that view. Yeah. All right. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. And there's the cottage. We got a volleyball court, which we haven't used yet. We have one fire pit, two fire pits. I'm going down to the dock, and I'm gonna go fishing. So let's see what happens there. All right, we're just getting here. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Water's calm. No one's on the water. No one's doing nothing. Like, look at that. So I'm gonna spend a little bit of time here and see if I can catch me a fish. Yeah. How amazing is that? Yeah. All right, so been a pretty we've been here one full day. It's been pretty quiet. I've had the kids have come out. Well, actually, you wouldn't know, there's a kayak up there. My son brought them in. There was a bunch of rain the other day, or yesterday. So there was so we played cards, played euchre, Cards Against Humanity. Tell you, that's a fun game. That's super fun. So it's just been a lot of relaxing. So it's been really, really good. I thought I brought my minnow trap. I don't think I did, but I brought a cast net. My son said that just right where it goes out a little bit there's a bunch of minnows. So I want to try the cast net. So we'll see. We'll see about that. Like and subscribe. Do it. Hopefully I catch something. My brother-in-law said he was going to come out, but hadn't seen him. Not yet. I just got up and I'm like, oh, I'm just going to go. I haven't seen any fish. There's some bass along those rocks right over here. My son got a bite there, and same my brother-in-law got a bite like right there-ish. So we'll see. Let's see what happens. All right, you hear that sound? There's like a little drain or something. My kids were playing in here. They put a whole bunch of rocks, but looks like the water's a little higher. Yeah, the drain's like right there. So the kids have been playing in there. We're gonna go by those rocks and let's walk and see. Oh, there's some water bugs. See what we see here. You know, there's a minnow there. Right there. I don't know if you can see them. Um, but yeah, there's another minnow right there. Some little guys. Looks like a railroad tie. Yeah, so we're gonna head over there. Yeah, I haven't been going in the water either still. For the same reasons, you know, I don't want to get infection. Stuff's starting to like actually heal, so it's definitely good. So I don't want to push it. There's some more minnows. So we're gonna try it over here. This is where we've had a bit of luck, so let's go. So we tried to catch some more fish. We've been unsuccessful so far. But there were a couple over there. The water's way higher today than it has in the past. But yeah, nothing yet. But it's been a lot of fun so far. So guys, remember, like and subscribe. Do it. And we'll have some more footage. We're gonna go do some a couple things today and have some fun. Have yourselves an amazing, amazing day.